at the point from where we can see Pangachula peak point. And we would like to show you the current view that we can see from here. So this is amazing that we are seeing. The whole peaks are covered with the snow, and it is very beautiful. The mountains are clear. It's sunny day, and the winds are blowing very heavily, so you can so yes, we can see अगर जन्नत कहाँ पे बसती है तो yes, this is what is all about heaven, and this is heavenly experience that we are having right now. Okay, he is the guy who is leader of this trek. Pramod ji, say hi. Pramod ji are co-leader of this trek. They are helping us throughout the trek while climbing, and now we are moving towards descent now. So yes, it is very beautiful. There are many people on this trek who are with us, and personally, if you ask me how about my experience, it is amazing, it is beautiful. It was my dream, and today I am feeling like my dream come true. Okay, but yes, there are many making it out. So Pangachula peak point is difficult to climb, so we decided to take a halt over here, and we are not going over there. So because of the depth of the snow, it is like almost 4 to 5 feet, and it is quite difficult to climb. So we have our trek leader who is actually helping us out throughout this trek. So we would like to know some technical things from him. So he is Sandeep. Sandeep, say hi.
Hi, hello.
So Sandeep, would you like to share what is your experience about this trek and any technical point that you would like to share?
And something about the group.
Yeah, your
Yes.
group is awesome. Like good thing about you people is like you came here with the mindset of trekker, not as a tourist. So that's
Thank you.
that's helped
Thank
us
you.
a lot. And
Just tell me us about the peaks and the altitudes and all.
see, there is Chaukhamba. It's covered with clouds. Then go towards the right. Then Kuber Peak. Then Parvati. This is Nilkant. Right side of Nilkant is the Badrinath area. Okay. And you can see the again few peaks are there which is covered by clouds. Kamet is there. Avigamin is there. Then Gauri Parvat, Hathi Parvat. This is Dronagiri.
Wow.
And if you see on that right side, Kalanka is there, Changma is there, or you can see that Rishi Parvat is there. Okay.
Wow, wow, that is amazing. That is super. So, see, the reason why we are here is all credit goes to this man.
No, actually, this is like you are everything like you practice a lot, and without your practice, it is very difficult for us to make it over here.
Thank you so much. So he's the guy who is actually helping us out throughout this trek, and he made sure that we are not losing our hope. So all fun, masti and mazak is still alive. So yes,
Happy New Year.
so of our group, Shweta.
Head of the family.
Head of the family. Okay, yes. So we are going up again. So talking machine and talking machine as well. Okay. Oh, be careful. So, Shweta, on serious note, what was one thing that drives you here all the way?
Mountains.
Free food.
Mountains.
We'll come to you, Mahi.
Trust me, mountains. You don't get all this thing when you're in Mumbai, for sure. You don't get all this thing and the kind of a peace and the state of mind and you know, inner peace. I would call it inner peace. When you go out for a vacation to Goa or to Bali or to Singapore, no, mountain has some magic in it. So why I'm here and I'll keep coming here again and again and again.
Wow.
Thank you.
That's why we love you, Sritu. So she is the reason actually why we have
And
why we had this plan.
One more thing. Thanks to all of you. Thanks to Sandeep to deal with me and to listen to me all this
Chapar
4
chapar.
days, yeah. During this 4 days, and thanks to Pramod ji, who really helped us a lot. Okay, so please Pramod ji, अपना थोड़ा चेहरा बता दीजिए.
दिया हमने उनका.
And not last but not the least, thanks to Vibhas, Pradnya, MP, and some of our friends who are resting at the camp. So yes, we'll keep coming here, we'll plan soon. So do wait for us, Himalaya.
Alright,
Thank you.
Thank you, Sritu. Last but not the least, Mahi, the Himalaya guy, we call him
Who
local
comes here
guy.
only for food, free food.
Okay, Mahi.
I
So-
came here only to have a blast and to have free food of TTS. That was my only motivation.
So he is basically from Uttaranchal, but it doesn't look like because
Food is not free, it's in your package.
Yeah.
so Mahi, your experience.
Yeah, it's really beautiful place to visit. It feels like your
But
beauty of this place is splendid. Like it has something magical power in it.
one question. You are from Uttaranchal.
Yeah.
These things are not new for you if I consider you from
though I was,
Uttaranchali.
no. I was though I was born here in Uttaranchal, but I never visited my village.
Okay.
So this is also a totally new place for me and new experience of visiting the mountains,
Okay.
totally covered with snow, and visiting this place in winter.
So one thing that drives you here.
Yeah, that was the most tough and daunting task. Yeah, एक बनता है group.
Come on, come.
हमारा तो जीवन
Guys,
सफल हो
one thing I
गया.
missed. Why do I come here? Is because you discover yourself. Anyone and everyone who comes here can discover themselves.
Yes. So we would recommend you, all of you guys, once in a lifetime Himalaya तो बनता है boss.
And that too with TTH.
Yeah, TTH
Because they
rocks.
provide the best food.
And make sure
And-
you come only with one guy
And-
and not with the second partner.
Yeah, and that too unlimited food.
So everything was amazing, and it is lifetime experience that we are having. We are in a heaven.
We are having balls and today is 31st, yeah?
Shweta.
Yeah.
All right. So yes, we are done with it. Yeah, we want to pass some messages to our friends who was not able to come to this trek.
हाँ भैया मेरे बगैर दारू मत पीछा
Bhushan, Shikha,
सालों कभी ना मेरे
Avi,
बगैर वो मुड़ी मत खा
Shrikant,
MK, Shrikant, we all love you guys.
Avi,
Amazing, and we miss you a lot on this trek. Each and every moment.
Yeah, Amit, we miss you, bro.
Amit, we miss you a lot, dear. We miss you a lot. All of you guys, we love you a
Dude,
lot.
someone is missing you.
Whatever. So go. So last but not the least, I would like to show who is behind the camera. So Mahi, can you take?
Yeah, our cameraman, very professional.
Yeah.
Cameraman, Mr.
So
Vibhas.
he's cameraman, Mr. Vibhas.
Vivas Hajiri.
So,
How was your experience?
ठंडी लग रही है, फट गई है। अब से क्लास स्कूल की वीडियो ले रहा हूँ। एक्सपीरियंस क्या बताऊँ यार, जन्नत है जन्नत। मेरा वीडियो मतलब ये सब।
Vivas, one thing that you find crazy about all this thing.
This group.
Group? Yeah, man. Group is ultimate. Group is crazy. That's I know.
और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि आज साल का आखिरी दिन है
Yeah.
और विंटर में कुछ नहीं हो सकता है, एक साल को खत्म करने का और एक नए साल को शुरुआत करने का। हैप्पी न्यू ईयर गाइस।
Happy New Year, guys!
Love you.
और सालों मेरे अगर दारू मत पी जाना।
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
And with this we will wind up
we should
interview.
we will wind it up and we should move towards descent because it's gonna be sunset very
Yeah, it
soon.
will take a lot of
And kind of heavily, so it's gonna be difficult for us. Thank you guys. Bye bye. See you next
Yeah.
year. Happy New Year.
We'll miss you.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye bye.